My name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A lower indecisive doji cross yesterday, a long tail, as if the market was exploring the downside, not liking it down there after being halted by a band of congestion dating from 2011 between 9907 and 10,000. This band had within it the July 2011 high at 9907, the April 2011 high at 9947 and the March 2011 high at 10,000. Now I have spoken at length about the recent sideways triangle. You can see it on the daily chart, which had its target achieved last week at 94.35. Additionally, I had asked this question, and I quote, "So what's next?" Well, one could look at the sideways triangle as being a type of halfway hesitation, in which case we'll be looking in the 10,400 level. End of quote. This is what is at the end of the journey towards or upwards over the last 2 weeks. The issue is that the market has finally, these last 3 days, hit upon some resistance that could actually stop it. Yesterday was the first pause. It will depend on what happens over today and tomorrow in this attempt higher. So far today, a small but still gapping move higher. The market is fully tackling that congestion band overhead between 9947 and 10,000. So far the market has been contained within the band, but only just. Beyond that band we have only the February 2011 high at 10,189 before prices can look properly at the 10,400 area. LME 3-month aluminium. Please again excuse the red labelling. My charting system continues to play silly buggers. The labels are nevertheless all still valid despite the colour, though I expect sometime early next week this will be sorted out. A second indecisive spinning top yesterday. I have to confess I'm a little surprised as to why the market has to be indecisive or to hesitate at these current levels. I've said earlier this week, once the market successfully punched up through and closed over the cap of the May 2018 high at 23.74, we should be in fairly free territory overhead, which is why it is a little bemusing as to why we've seen such behaviour over the last 2 sessions. Looking above, we have a number of overhead targets that are all fairly close together. There is target X in the 24.85 area. This is the preliminary potential target for the rising wedge pattern, with target X1 in the 2500 area being the full target for the move. There's target X2 in the 2470 area. This is the projected doubling of the bull channel chart target. Even now I'm bemused still as to the delay in moving higher. So far today, an end to the delay, what looks right now like a bullish opening white Mariposa based on the close last night and moving nicely higher towards all the previous targets mentioned. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.